Inputting and processing a lot of data can be tedious and time-consuming. Keeping data organized and working together with the most up-to-date information are fundamental aspects to carry out mine exploration projects successfully and profitably. Progeox, an integrated CAD software and a proven solution for your geological needs, allows you to import surface data points to draw contours and generate a 3D surface. Model diamond drill holes. Insert annotations. And create composites simply in a few clicks. The development of the Progeox software is focused around the industry's challenges. New features are released every 3 weeks. You are guaranteed to work with a comprehensive and a dynamic software for your geology project needs. Progeox compatibility with Access and SQL will ensure you to keep your data in one location and organized. Use the powerful tool of implicit modeling to model a lithology and create block models with the most updated drill hole information, or map out a geological face for your underground openings. Analyze your data easily using statistics, distributions, grade tonnage curves, semi-variograms, and much more. Trusted by Agnico Eagle, Nearstar, Endeavor, and many more. Complete your exploration project using Progeox.